Shivaya. Friends, today is Swati Nakshatra. Moon is transiting through Swati Nakshatra. It represents Vayu Tattva or the wind god. Wind, Vayu is the main deity for this nakshatra. Okay, and as a remedial part, somebody who's into imprisonment, somebody is into jail, somebody is suffering from prolonged illness, somebody who is, suffering from a long-term problem. As a remedial part, in the Swati Nakshatra, you can free caged birds. Artist, painter, sculptor, architect Leonardo da Vinci had a peculiar habit. He used to buy caged birds and offer it to people and ask them to free those birds. And then he would capture the expression of the person who is freeing the bird. Okay? When we relieve a bird, when we relieve an animal from the kind of imprisonment or cage setting, there is a sense of freedom, there is a sense of liberation in them. Swati means Swati. Okay, longing to be independent, longing to fly like a bird is the theme of this nakshatra. Also, one more interesting fact, if we are talking about birds, actor, film star Shah Rukh Khan, his name translates to Shah Rukh Khan, means the king of birds. Okay, what in Hindu mythology we refer to as Garuda, the abode of Vishnu. Okay, in most of his such a meaning of the name would translate that the person is having Saturn karma, Mercury karma and Surya karma. All these nakshatras are reflected in Shah Rukh Khan's horoscope. And one more interesting part, if we see, Shah Rukh Khan in most of his videos, most of his movies, he would fly off a helicopter, run with the helicopter in the background or fly in an airplane. There's a very old movie of his, very critically acclaimed movie called Ram Jane, where he comes out of imprisonment and frees the caged birds. Okay, today somewhat similar thing we are going to do over here. We have a pair of birds, we are going to set them free and we are going to imbibe the energy of the birds after they get the freedom, and we will chant Om Swati Nakshatraye Namah. So we are opening the cage. Okay, we are trying to set the birds free. So this was regarding Swati Nakshatra and freedom of birds. If you want to know more, okay, अगर आप अपनी जन्म पत्रिका दिखाना चाहते हैं, अच्छी क्वालिटी के जेम स्टोन्स चाहते हैं या पूजा पाठ आदि कोई शुभ मांगलिक कार्य करवाना चाहते हैं, तो संपर्क करें हमारे महर्षि एस्ट्रोलॉजिकल सेंटर में. मेरा नंबर है 9503596761. देखते रहिए मेरे वीडियोस महर्षि एस्ट्रोलॉजिकल सेंटर पे. थैंक यू.